So, JM, kamusta ka ngayon?
Okay naman ako, be. Yung episode 2 and 3 ko, for my entire dance career, yung stress ko para mag-learn ng sayaw, dun ko siya talaga na-feel ng sobra. Episode 4, nabigyan ako ng afro at ngayon naman, dancehall.
Kumanda kayo.
Kumanda kayong lahat.
With your piece, Kesari Manok, like sabong. So, kayo mismo yung manok, hindi kayo yung sabongero.
Gusto kita makapartner, sabi ko si JM. Tapos nung nagre-rehearsal kami, sabi ko parang gusto kong bawiin. Napakalakas kasi sumayaw nito. So alam mo yun, kailangan kong mag-step up para lang mapantayin yung energy na itong taong to.
O ikaw, I know na magaling na dancer si Patrick.
Alam mo. Alam nyo guys, ganito lang ako dito. Pero kapag nasa stage na ako, taon mo aralin to para ma-perfect mo yung dancehall talaga kasi hindi rin biro yung ilang araw mo lang gagawin. Tinatry ko humabol kay JM.
Minimake sure din ni Patrick talaga na may tatanong siya kapag hindi niya ma-execute ng maayos. It's also a borrowed culture again from Jamaica. We have to be careful also kasi nga we don't want to disrespect any country's culture. Sinabi ko yun na parang, oh, hindi tayo para maglaro-laro lang dito ah. Tama na yung fun-fun, tama na yung happy-happy. Sabi ko, kailangan natin manalo. It's either top 1 or nothing.
Talaga.
Grabe naman, JM. Envision, Patrick. It's what you call a sabong concept. Coach, what you think, Coach?
Ako unang-una, napakaganda ng costume nyo. Sobrang nag-fit dun sa konsepto na gusto nyong ipakita. Pangalawa, napaka-dynamic ng choreography nyo.
Coach April!
Napaka-husay. I think na-hit nyo lahat ng levels. High, lows, meron pa kayong pa-jump from the lower back. Unang-una, na-shock ako kasi kala ko ma-off-balance si Patrick. I think he's able to land it pretty well. Also, I think dancehall is a very, very technical. It's a very difficult style, but I think you were able to do it with flying colors. So congratulations to the both.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you so much.
This is my dream collab. Happy talaga ako makita kayong dalawa. At hindi niyo ako binigo. Congratulations.
Salamat po.
Thank you,
Husay.
Thank you, Mang. Queen.
Tama ka eh. Ito
Diba?
yung perfect combination na habang pinapanood namin, bawat sabong, bawat tuka, bawat kahig, talagang ipinaglalaban. Kaya, well, congratulations. Mahusay kayong dalawa.
Salamat po.